Disclaimer: the information given on this video is based on internet survey. This may vary from actual scenario. Take this information nothing but learning purpose. No official use is advised. The video maker is not liable for any allegation. All rights are reserved to Team Arrow.
The Bata Shoe organization was founded in 1894 by Czech businessman Thomas Bata in the city of Zele, what was then Czechoslovakia. Coming back from a family of shoemaker with a long heritage of 8 generations and over 300 years, Thomas Bata capitalized on knowledge, expertise and skills to propel his newly founded company forward. The introduction of a factory automation, long-distance retailing and modernized shoemaking ensured the profitability of the company from the very beginning. It is now the world's largest manufacturer and marketer of footwear operating across the globe. Since its marketing, Bata has been at the forefront of innovation, not only in the production and the design of the new styles, but in the creation of business models that permit a quick response to the ever-changing wants and needs of their customer. As a result, Bata enjoys a long history as a leading manufacturer and retailer of quality footwear and proudly serves more than 1 million customers each day. Today, the Bata Shoe organization is sprawling a geocentric company encompassing operations in more than 70 countries around the world. It serves over 1 million customers per day, employs more than 30,000 people, operates more than 5,000 international retail outlets, manages retail presence in over 70 countries and runs 27 production facilities across 20 countries. In Bangladesh, Bata started its operation in 1962. Currently, Bata Shoe Company Bangladesh Limited operates 2 manufacturing facilities, one in Tongi and the other in Dhamrai. With a production capacity of 160,000 pairs of shoes daily, annual shoe sales currently stands about 30 million pairs. Bata has a network of 261 retail outlets located strategically in different parts of the country. These retail outlets are an integral part of our brand marketing. Bata Bangladesh has an exclusive store at Bosundara City Mall, which is now the world's largest Bata store. This extensive retail network is supplemented by an equally extensive network of depots and dealers. Bata has 30 wholesale depots covering Bangladesh. Under these depots, 471 registered wholesale dealers and 690 dealer support program stores are operating. Current headquarters of Bata Bangladesh is situated in Tongi, Gazipur, where Mr. Gopal Krishna directs the employee as the MD of the company. Fashion would never be complete without a well-designed pair of shoes. His marketing insight has prompted Bata to introduce a number of designers' collections for men, women and children. Internationally renowned brands such as Bata Comfort, Mary Charlie, Hush Puppies, Power, Northstar, Windbrenner, Ambassador, Patapata are a few names that testify to the momentous changes towards branded shoe marketing in Bangladesh. Specialized shoe categories such as athletic shoes have been targeted through development of the Power brand. Uncompromising quality with striking designs have put Bata shoes in a key position to appeal to different segments of consumers. Though their main product is shoe, but they have also some accessory product in the lineup, which are belt, wallet, sunglass, backpack and ladies bag is also manufactured by them. Now look at some basic information of Bata Bangladesh. They are a public limited company under Tanner Industry. The listing year of the company is 1985. Now it is a Market A category company and the securities of the company is traded as BATASSOE. Their authorized capital is 200 million and the paid up capital is 136.8 million. Face value is 10 taka and the total number of outstanding securities in the market is 1 crore 36 lakh and 80,000. Here you go with some stock market information as on 10th of June 2020. The opening price was 693.20 BDT and the closing price remains the same, and the adjusting opening price and the started closing price was also the same. So basically there was no change in percentage and only 4 shares was traded. Here's an important thing from where we come to know about the 52 weeks moving range, which starts from 618 and climbed up to 1050 BDT. Last AGM of Bata Shoe Limited held on 27 June of 2019, where they distributed 345% cash dividend for the year 2018. There is some additional information you can pause and check, but important information is here is the earning per share as per the year ended 2019 was 24.06, where market price per share was 935.2 at the same time. So we can tell that within less half of this year, there's a huge decline in the market value of their security. That's probably happened due to this coronavirus pandemic. Lastly comes the CSR, which is the commitment by business to behave ethically to their customers and contribute something good for the society. Bata Bangladesh is already doing some great jobs to save the environment. And they have some future CSR plans like Bata Village, technology development, different NGO, blood donation, and creating social awareness. Since its inception, Bata Shoe Company Bangladesh Limited has strived towards one goal: customer satisfaction. Hope that they will make great shoes available for everyone in upcoming days. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.